Electronic voting machines are being used in Indian general and state elections to implement electronic voting in part from 1999 elections and recently in 2018 state elections held in 5 states across India. EVMs have replaced paper ballots in local, state and general elections in India. There were earlier claims regarding EVMs' tamparability and security which have not been proved. After rulings of Delhi High Court, Supreme Court and demands from various political parties, Election Commission decided to introduce EVMs with voter-verified paper audit trail system. The VVPAT system was introduced in 8 of 543 parliamentary constituencies as a pilot project in Indian general election, 2014. Voter-verified paper audit trail and EVMs are now used in every assembly and general election in India.